How have you been so fortunate in understanding Jain philosophies so precisely? Who has influenced your learning?
Oh, who has influenced my learning?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Uh, I have a different personality generally. Okay. In my personality, basically, it's I think about it and then decide whether I want to practice it or not. Okay. I'm an electrical engineer, by the way, and I look at it everything at the electron level. Does it make sense? Okay. And I keep my mind open. Anybody from any place, if I learn something, that's my guru. Okay. If somebody asked me the question and I said, I got so many gurus, okay, that any person, I learned something from them. With that regards, that person is my guru. Okay. Never try to teach them instead of learning them. My attitude is always, how can I learn from others? Okay. And then in that case, if you feel, okay, yes, maybe this person can use some of the things what I'm doing, I explain to them. But not while explaining to them, while my intention is how can I learn the things from them. Okay. And you can see what we are doing in the education area in America. All right. Significant things we have developed and collectively with lot of people putting their dedication. Okay. Uh, Again, that is my own personality. If you if your personality is learning point of view, then you can accomplish it that way. Okay. But some people wanted to become like a superiority complex and try to teach them somebody. Okay. There's some people, uh, so many people become those scholars, they just want to teach you. All right. They don't want to learn from you. And that attitude sometimes is not appealing to many people. All right. That's it. I don't have any one particular guru or anything like that. When I become a vegan, like I told you before or not, but I become a vegan in 1995. Just you can think about 25 years ago. Okay. My daughter became vegan before me. And I thought even at that time that no, she is not right. Okay, but there is no way I can convince. And she told me, Dad, this is my life. Let me live my way. Okay. And but you go and visit the dairy, and after you visit the dairy, we can talk. When I visited dairy, it's all done. Everything is over. Okay. Even if I told even one acharya that even if Bhagwan Mahavir come and tells me that there's nothing wrong in the milk, I said, thank you, sir. Okay. My experience, your teaching has not as much valuable against my experience. Okay. My experience is the highest knowledge for me. Okay. And there are so many questions comes like when I become vegan and when I give them my vegan presentation, they said, Bhagwan Mahavir drank kheer. He did not realize all these things. These are the kind of the questions will come and will face. I said, well, Bhagwan Mahavir, whatever experience he has it, that is between him and his experience. My experience is this, and that is undisputable. That's it. Okay. So I am not going to do it. The matter is over. Okay. You see what I'm saying? Because they are not ready to listen any kind of the arguments I can give. And I said, this is my experience. If you have another experience and use it, fine. It is your decision. It is not my decisions you are following. All right? That's the point. Go ahead.